ginagawa mo dito?
Sorry.
Hindi kita mapapatawad. Hindi ngayon. Ewan ko kung kailan.
Simula ba nung makilala kita hanggang ngayon? Puro sakit lang ang binigay ko sa'yo.
Iniwan mo ko nung panahong pinakakailangan kita.
Sorry. Hindi na ako babalik. Sana mapatawad mo ko. Na pinilit kitang maging matapang. Para sa akin. Bye.
I want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever, but now that you're gone, all I can do is pray for you to be here beside me again. Why did you have to leave me when you said that love would conquer all? Why did you have to leave me when you said that dreaming was as good as reality? And now I must move on, trying to forget all the memories of you and me. But I can't
Huwag kang mag-alala, Dad.
let go of your love that has taught me
Yun ang huling pagkikita namin.
to hold on.
Tapos na, panalo na kayo. Tanggap ko na.
I want you to stay, never
Natalo na ako.
go away from me.
Kaya please,
Stay
huwag niyo na siyang guguluhin ulit.
forever, but now
Talagang hindi ka nag-iisip. Kala mo naman napakalaking bagay ng pakikipaghiwalay sa ordinaryong babaeng yon. Masakit na sa akin yun!
here beside me again.
Gusto ko siyang makasama.
Did you have
Walang kwenta buhay ko kung wala siya!
when you said that love would conquer all?
Kamusta na kayo?
Why did you have to leave me when you said that
Minsan, iniisip ko,
reality?
bakit lahat na lang nawawala sa akin?
And now I must move on, trying to forget
Masama
all
akong
the
tao.
memories.
Hindi ka masamang tao,
I
anak.
can't let go.
Kailangan lang siguro namin mawala sa atin para maipalalat kung anong meron tayo.
Kaya ko pa man mamuhay na wala siya.
You have to leave me when you said that love would conquer all. Why did you have to leave me when you said that dreaming was as good as staying with me? Why did you have to leave me when you said that love would conquer all? Why did you
Ito yung gusto mo, di ba? Maging ganito ako, walang kwenta.
Alam ko madami na nagbago sa relasyon natin. Pero yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo, hindi nagbago. Mahal na mahal pa rin kita.
Gusto ko na umalis dito.
stay forever?
Ayoko mawala ka. Hindi ko kaya.